This is just happening today, right? Yeah, that's fine. Welcome back to another video of me. In this video, I'm doing a part 2 on decluttering all of my grandmother's items that she donated to me that were all sewing related things. So this box specifically is full of notions and I figured it might be fun to go through it together. So without further ado, let's get started. And now I did not cheat. I did not go through this without you guys. I was good and I waited until I had time to film this. So let's get started. This is the first bag. It appears to be full of ribbons. And now ribbons is fun because I can reuse a bunch of this for gift wrapping. This is a very thick one. Oh my goodness. Cute pink one. This very bright pink. I think this might be ribbon that she took from, you know, those linen sets? They usually come in like a plastic bag and there's like some ribbon attached to it sometimes. There was a bag within the bag with some more ribbon again. Maybe like I could use some of this ribbon in that patchwork project I was thinking of. I wonder where she got these from. Very flashy green. A bit of silver ribbon. Tiny little bit of this bronzish, goldenish ribbon. Then some blue. And that's my first empty bag. Here's a random flower. And it has wires, so I'm sure I could bend it into whatever shape I wanted. I don't know if there's something to do with this for sewing related projects. The closer I'm looking at it, the more I'm questioning, did she make this? It looks handmade, but like beautifully handmade. I'll have to ask her. Some very nice ribbon again. This is very holiday themed. Yeah, this would be better suited for gift wrapping, so I think that's what will happen to this. Bit of red ribbon. This would be really pretty in someone's hair. Ooh, deluxe blanket binding. And this was $1 back in the day. It says here, processed from a superior quality satin fabric. The deluxe blanket binding offers you a quick, convenient method of rejuvenating your blankets. Okay, again, this is very gift wrapping coated. It's like a lime green papery wrapping gift ribbon. And I think these are all the same, but these are so old. Like she had some elastics holding everything together. It's dried out. I wonder if this was all tied together because it's the same lace. Is it the same? I don't think it is actually. No, that's not the same. Anyway, I've still got more than enough here, so that's nice. I've got this type of zigzaggy ribbon. I used to really enjoy this when I was younger, but now I wonder, what do people use these for? Like, can I incorporate this into a sewing project? Oh, there's some more of these little bells that I found in the previous video. And there's a bunch more here. Ooh, and little cats. Ooh, and little shoes. I don't know what these are for either. I'll have to ask her. I've got a bunch more of these little jingle bell things. I'll just put these back in the bag for now. We have tiny little trees that belong to my boyfriend's grandmother. I feel like these would be cute decorations on those trees. I'll have to ask him if he's interested in combining. I feel like that would be cute, you know? His grandma, my grandma, together in a Christmas tree. I'll have to ask. A bunch of little, you know, like those, these. What are those called? So that's the first bag. Empty. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. There's a tiny, tiny, tiny little disco ball that's purple and this gold ribbon. Appropriate for gift wrapping again, so I think that's where that's gonna go. Okay, so now the bag is empty. What's in here? Oh, that's what they're called. Hook and eyes. With the original packaging. How cute is that? This can be stored in my stuff. I like the old packaging. It's very cool. Very cool. I think I'm gonna keep all of these together in a bag. It's the same stuff, so it should all go together. This is very pretty ribbon. I like that. I'm never gonna have to buy ribbon ever again. Oh, it's called medium rickrack. Elastic thread, and it's like silvery. I wonder what this could be used for. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Ha ha ha. Okay, look at how pretty that is. That's truly gorgeous. I feel like this is like everybody's cottagecore dream, you know what I mean? When it comes to like ribbons, it's so pretty. And there's a respectable quantity of it too. I feel like I can definitely make something with this. Ooh, some more exciting ribbon. It's very pretty. There's like barely any of it though. That's all there is. I wonder what I could make with such a small quantity of ribbon. It's a little scratchy too because it's like, what's the word? Not shimmering, sparkly. There you go. I feel like there's enough in here for like a cuff. Then a tiny little bit of this yellow, what was it called? Rickrack? Riffraff? Rim rickrack. I said it right. Did I? I think. And I've got some more here. Oh, that's so small. I'm not gonna keep that. I've got more of that elastic from earlier. It was silver, now it's golden. There's some bias tape. Yes, this is bias tape. Some reddish orangish ribbon. Some more bias tape. Doesn't appear like it's ever been used, so that would mean there's a decent quantity of it. I wonder why this has like little metal things. Ooh, a very respectable amount of this very pretty vintage looking ribbon. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's very wide though. Ooh, it could go like around the waist. I could do something with this. I'm gonna keep that for sure. Some more ribbon. This one is black and it's still in its wrapping. A bit more riff-raff. Wait, rick-rack? I'm never gonna get this right. Riff? Oh! With a bit of dried elastic, don't mind me. A bit of rick-rack in a color white. There's barely any left though. This dark blue. That's kind of velvety. No, it's not. It feels velvety, but it isn't. And it's like a very pretty dark blue. It probably appears black in the camera though. But I swear, it's navy. It's very dark blue. Some more rickrack here. That's yellow. Oh, I think there was some earlier. There you go. This is the same, right? Okay, I think it's not the same, but it's so incredibly close. I think in the camera it's picking it up better than in real life. In real life, you can barely tell a difference. Just some white seam banding, still in its original packaging. Here we've got this red ribbon with these on the points. I wonder what these are for. Oh, you know what these are? I know what these are. So this goes into the hole, and then when you pull, it kind of like stays stuck in the hole like this. So that would be the handle of like a gift bag or something. That makes perfect sense. And then I've got a tiny bit of this blue, which is the same thing. I feel very smart for understanding what that was. I've got this tiny bit of ribbon that's very ornate. And this little, what is that, metal? Is that like a flower? Another Ziploc bag that is empty. There's still so much to go through. There was a lot of stuff in that box. Here's some more ribbon. There's a purple one right here and there's a white one right there. Ooh, this bag has some very pretty things in it. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Wonder what I could make with this kind of ribbon. I'm gonna have to think about this. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. There's also this right here that's very cute. It appears to be on its original packaging as well. And I like the gingham. I feel like the gingham will go great with some of the gingham that my grandmother gave me. I think I could make something with this. I just need to figure out what. I already have this exact ribbon. I bought it at the dollar store, and I can see right here that my grandmother did too. Nice simple blue ribbon. Perfect for gift giving. There's such a respectable quantity of it too. Look at that. So I don't need to be like precious about it, you know? I can just use it for gift wrapping. I feel like this would be really pretty as like spaghetti straps or something. There's enough where I do believe I could make something with this. I'm gonna keep that. Tiny bit of red ribbon right here. Not red, white. I feel like that bottom one would be very pretty as gift wrapping. Another bag, empty. I found some more of these flowers from earlier. Just a random little blue bow. Ooh, this is nice if I want to like gift it back to someone. I can use this. That's always very useful. I once crocheted a fanny pack, and then I asked my friend to finish it. It was a gift for her. So I was like, here's an unfinished project. You finish it for yourself. I'm a poor, lonesome cowboy that's a long, long way from home. A wonder waistband. Ooh, okay, so I was following this girl on YouTube and she was talking about this. Keeps blouses, shirts, downs, keeps skirts, slacks up. Very neat. So now I've got some myself. I wonder what this is used for. I think it's to like fix holes and stuff. Iron-on fabric mending tape. Cool. And there's like a bunch of colors. That's very useful in this upcoming recession. I can fix my clothes. Ooh, that's cute. She gave me some previously and I haven't even used them yet, but this is made with love. It's a little tag. I'll put this with the other ones. It's very cute. So just a bit more of those gift bag handles. I can make something with this because I really want to make myself a nightgown. Like this could go right here, or like for the sleeves. Wait, yeah, this way. See, that's the thing. If you can see yourself making something with the item, that's when you know you should keep it. There's a bunch of stuff that I am keeping that I haven't really seen myself making anything with, but that's okay. Future Emily's problem. Empty bag. Okay, so close to the finish line, guys. There's only one bag left in the box. So let's get to it. That's adorable. Oh, I can't keep this. There's too little of it. Very cute though. I'm glad I can document this. See, it looks like it's crocheted, but it's not. Or maybe it is and I just can't tell. I wonder if there's a way I could find to like make a very ruffly, ornate little dress with all this white ribbon. That could be fun. A bit of a white ribbon again. Ooh. This is different. It's not the same flowery shape as usual. I kind of like that. Lace remnants of undetermined fiber contents. Oh my goodness. Okay. I like it. It's like there's not that much, but there's enough to do something with it, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Maybe it's too wide. I wouldn't really know what to make with this. I'm gonna keep it anyway. I feel like this kind of thing, it's so easy to keep because it doesn't take a lot of space. Ooh, these last two pieces. Very colorful ribbon. Good for like gift wrapping again. And the last one is, what is this? Bunch of number 44s. I wonder what this was for. Aha, 4, get it? And that was the last bag. I think it's obvious that my favorite ones were the more vintagey ones, like these ones. Tell me these are not the prettiest little notions that you've ever seen. Are you jealous? I bet you are. I would be jealous. I will have to find a way to incorporate one of these into that patchwork project I was talking about. I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. If you want to stick around and watch what I make with all of this, you can subscribe. There's a subscribe there button as well. And last but not least, there's a like button to let me know that I did a good job. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.